So now let's set up our own folder to put these two templates inside and keep everything organized. Creating a folder is very easy. You just go right here to where it says create folder. We're going to give the folder a name. In this case, I'm going to call it Thanksgiving Day Pie Giveaway. I'm going to create that. Okay, so now all I have to do is go to the individual template. And right here under Actions, I'm going to click. And you can see you can preview the template. You can share your template. Move to folder is what we're going to work on right here. So we're going to click that. I'm going to find me the folder that I need. There it is, Thanksgiving Day Pie Giveaway. And click Move. Okay, I've got one more to do right here. So we're just going to go over here again. Actions. Move to folder. Select your folder, Thanksgiving Day Pie Giveaway. And move. And that's it. We're all done.